I need 42 2.5-inch squares. So I'm going to use the stripology, and because the fabric width is wider or longer than the ruler, I need to fold the fabric up, and I'm going to take the line on the ruler and put it on the fold. And first we need to square up this edge, so I need to move the ruler over. And we're going to cut first on 0. Now, because this is 2.5-inch blocks, this ruler is already marked with a square here that will show you where the 2.5-inch measurement is. So first I cut on 0, and now all I have to do is look for the square on my ruler. Now I've already got my strips. 2.5 inches by width of fabric. Now I can rotate them and put them on a horizontal line on my mat. This one, any horizontal line, just so I'm keeping them straight. And see, I still have my selvage on because I'm going to be cutting it off with the ruler. And again, I'm going to line up the line down here on this strip. The rest of them are already lined up on the horizontal line as well. So now I'm going to cut on the 0, and that's going to square it up and remove the selvage. Now I just need to find the square again because these are 2.5. Square. Now that is waist. The selvage is removed, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 4, 6, 8, 32, 4, 6, 8, 42, 4, 6, 8, 48 2.5-inch squares